press the bell icon and never miss a single Quick Reaction Team video.
Why does a round pizza come in a squared box?
I've read this before. No, never thought of it because they don't know how to make round boxes.
I just care about the pizza. That's the first thing I care about.
This is a riddle, okay? So it goes like, if you take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I?
Crocodile?
Crocodile.
Snake, maybe.
Banana.
Banana can make you cry.
I have no idea.
So can you also think of any word, okay, which doesn't have any vowel in it?
A word which doesn't have any vowel in it.
No, it has you in it. It has you.
I actually knew this answer because मुझे किसी ने पूछा हुआ था.
If there are 3 apples and you take 2 away, how many apples do you have?
3. I still have 3.
One? No. No. I still have 3.
If there are 3,
There are 3 apples.
Okay.
2 आप ले गए.
Okay.
How many apples do you have?
we will have 3. We will have 2. Then how many will be left?
How many will you have?
We will have 2 ना हमने 2 ले लिया.
आपने 2 लिए. Have you ever wondered that why does a round pizza come in a squared box? Well, even I don't know. Anyway, a very warm welcome to India's best read interview YouTube channel Quick Reaction Team, and I'm your host Pranoy. This time we ask people some easy questions and riddles which you might even find them lame, but trust me, you're gonna love them. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Can you name any word which doesn't have any vowel in it?
Any name.
Any word.
Any word, any word.
Without any A-E-I-O-U.
I am not answering it.
Give it a try. Give it a try.
No.
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
What's my name?
When it's easy, na, it's more of brainstorming.
जब सोचना होता है तभी नहीं पता चलता.
My name has O in it.
Okay.
Can you give us a hint?
It's a 3-letter word.
I know this one. Wait.
Why?
Why? क्या बात है?
Word.
No.
It has. Oh, sorry.
Can you name any other word apart from other than the wide?
I can't. I mean, I'm not getting into.
Way too easy, by the way.
I know a word with 2 U's.
Rhythm.
Oh, awesome. High five.
Oh my god,
You got one.
Try.
Try तो है. How about cry, fry, my rhythm?
Oh.
Cry, sky, fry, my. Why? Cry, fry, my.
Yeah.
This is a riddle, okay? So it goes like, if you take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I?
Okay. No idea. Nails probably.
If you take off my skin.
My skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I?
Onion. क्या sweet की बात है. Onion.
Onion.
Okay,
finally.
Oh yes, definitely yes.
That's pretty easy.
Easy. How about an onion?
Okay, yeah.
So I want you to name any language, okay? So whose spellings, like even if you reverse it, like in a reverse order, it stays the same. For example, अगर हिंदी है, तो हिंदी को उल्टा करो तो हिंदी होना चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है.
I think it's Urdu.
उर्दू?
Let me think.
Marathi, Bengali.
चलो आ जाएगा.
Then there's Assamese.
I'm bad at geography.
Kannada, Tamil, Telugu.
हाँ, बस almost there. I can give you a hint. Southern part of India. Giving you this.
Southern
hint. तमिल?
I think I'm
तमिल
really
को
dumb.
उल्टा करके कुछ और लिमिट.
नहीं तमिल में नहीं बनेगा.
नहीं, उर्दू नहीं होगा ना. उर्दू हो जाएगा. How about Malayalam?
Malayalam.
Oh. Yeah. Malayalam. Yeah.
M-A-L.
कौन सा? Now she's talking.
Yeah, that'll work. Malayalam.
Malayalam.
High five. Got it.
Nice यार.
I'm the genius, yeah.
Just any Indian language, okay? So whose spellings, like even if you reverse it, it stays the same. You knew it? Did you?
What is it?
Give up? Pass?
Give up.
Yeah, pass.
Malayalam.
Yeah.
Never thought of it. Never thought of it.
Okay. When does an Indian potato changes its nationality?
When it becomes a couch potato.
It becomes a couch potato.
Yeah.
When it's fried, French fries don't tell me no.
French fries.
French fries.
High five. Oh God. God. Is she the topper of your class? Please tell me. How about when it becomes French fries?
Oh, good one, yeah.
So according to you, why does a round pizza come in a squared box?
Why does a round pizza?
खाने से मतलब होता है ना?
खाने से बताओ.
Somewhere on Facebook I've seen.
कभी सोचा?
Nope.
I've heard the question a million times, but I don't know.
So that someone doesn't just roll it off.
So that all the pieces stay intact.
Maybe it's convenient.
Maybe the surface area of square is better for us.
Possibly if it's circular, the pizza base could stick to all the sides, the whole circumference of the thing.
You won't be able to take it out, no? You need a little bit of space just to put your fingers in.
I agree to him. Yeah.
Will you be happy if it starts coming in a circular box?
Circular boxes.
No, I'm happy with the square box.
Yeah. No, as he said, now I realize that it will actually get difficult to take it out. So yeah.
Carry it.
Yeah, it will be. But it will be more satisfying.
At the end of the day, it's just a pizza. It's supposed to be consumed. So
Well, even I don't know the scientific reason behind it. I was just asking for your suggestion. So. Hope you guys have enjoyed our today's video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up. Also, check out the super cool feature now on your mobile phone. So check out these videos which are very similar to our today's video based on riddles, and click on the circle so that you can subscribe to our channel and you can get all our fresh videos first on YouTube. I'm going to see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 p.m. with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye.